Hello guys, it's Washer Lad 2014 here. Right, I'm at my local tip again and we have a rather pleasing sight, which is an Indesit, or should I say Indesit XWA61452 washing machine for scrap. So we got program 1, which is sport, program 2 dark, program 3 anti-odor, program 4 delicate, program 5 wool, program 6 duvet, program 7 white duvet, program 7, now on program 8, which is eco cotton, program 9 jeans, program 10 synthetic, program 11 coloureds, program 12 cottons 20, program 13 eco synthetics, and program 14 rapid. Rinse program and spin program for on and off button, push and wash, on and off button, push and wash, start pause, temperature buttons and all that. Not sure what that does. Just gonna open the door, see. Right, hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you didn't, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you can watch all my latest content. Bye bye Indesit. Hope you go to hell. Right, goodbye guys.